Hello everyone, welcome back to Ajayastro Money Guru, your reliable source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, on the 8th of August 2024, we bring you an update on turmeric and pepper prices, highlighting the recent trends and market dynamics. In recent weeks, turmeric spot market prices have exhibited a mixed trend. Prices have risen in Sangli and Kesmudram, but have dropped by 100 rupees to 200 per quintal in Hingoli, Dugirala, and Erode due to low demand. Buyers have been hesitant to purchase turmeric because of falling prices, and export demand remains weak. This weakness is partly due to the ongoing unrest in Bangladesh, which is expected to impact trade activities in the region. Most markets have remained operational, with reported arrivals reaching 12,842 bags, up from 12,015 bags in the previous session. The increase in arrivals is attributed to stockists liquidating inventory in anticipation of further price reductions. Following a slight recovery in the previous week, NCDEX market prices have shown a mixed trend. Prices have remained relatively stable over the past 18 to 20 sessions, fluctuating between 15,500 rupees and 16,500 rupees. In August, prices saw a modest rise of 0.4%, while in October, they experienced a slight decline of 0.2%. It is anticipated that prices may break through the current strong support levels and trade lower in the coming days. Harvesting has begun in Indonesia, albeit slightly delayed due to rainy weather. Due to high demand for wet turmeric this season, dry turmeric production is expected to be significantly lower. This comes in the wake of an already depleted crop, affected by drought conditions. Looking ahead, turmeric prices are expected to decline further due to increased acreage and reduced export demand. Additionally, the continued inactivity of buyers may exert further downward pressure on prices. In Nizamabad, the NCDEX polished turmeric is priced at 16,161 rupees per quintal, while the unpolished variety is at 15,308 rupees per quintal. In Sangli, the NCDEX Rajapur variety stands at 17,980 rupees per quintal. For NCDEX futures, the October 2024 contract is priced at 16,410 rupees per quintal, down by 42 rupees, or 0.2%, whereas the August 2024 contract is priced at 15,870 rupees per quintal, up by 70 rupees, or 0.4%. The turmeric contract for August delivery settled at 15,870 rupees per quintal, showing a rise of 70 rupees over the previous close of 15,800 rupees. The contract moved in the range of 15,770 rupees to 15,990 rupees for the day. Open interest decreased by 860 metric ton to 14,780 metric ton, while trading volume increased by 610 to 2,820 metric ton. For October delivery, the turmeric contract settled at 16,410 rupees per quintal, showing a fall of 42 rupees over the previous close of 16,452 rupees. The contract moved in the range of 16,392 rupees to 16,590 rupees for the day. Open interest increased by 400 metric ton to 13,055 metric ton, while trading volume increased by 990 to 2,940 metric ton. Currently, the spread between the August and October contracts stands at 540 rupees per quintal. As of August 7, 2024, turmeric stock in NCDEX accredited warehouses was recorded at 10,511 metric ton. Now, let's shift our focus to pepper prices. After experiencing a significant increase of nearly 1,000 rupees per quintal over the previous week, spot market prices for pepper in Kerala and Karnataka have dropped by 100 rupees per quintal. This decline can be attributed to the commencement of harvesting in Brazil and the peak season in Indonesia, coupled with weak export demand, which has exerted downward pressure on prices. In Kochi, the current rates for ungarbled pepper stand at 65,700 rupees per quintal, while garbled pepper costs 67,700 rupees per quintal, and 500 gigaliters pepper is priced at 63,700 rupees per quintal. In Karnataka, pepper prices range between 65,700 rupees and 68,000 rupees per quintal. Vietnamese pepper prices have continued to decline, dropping by an additional 2,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram, now ranging between 135,000 Vietnamese dongs and 137,000 Vietnamese dongs. The lack of export demand has caused prices to breach lower limits, and this downward trend is expected to persist as import demand shifts from Vietnam to Brazil. Harvesting activities in Brazil and Indonesia are likely to stabilize prices in the near term. Production is projected to be around 1.05 lakh tons, a decrease of 5 to 7% from the previous season, due to adverse weather conditions. Despite the recent drop, prices across all origins have remained stable following a weak trend. Following a recent increase, pepper prices are anticipated to remain low due to reduced demand at higher price points. The start of the harvesting season in Brazil is expected to further depress prices due to diminished export demand. However, a sharp decline is unlikely, as drought conditions are expected to significantly lower production levels. In Kochi, the ungarbled pepper is priced at 65,700 rupees per quintal, while garbled pepper costs 67,700 rupees per quintal. In Kushalnaga, prices range between 65,700 rupees and 68,000 rupees per quintal, and in Chikamagalur, they range between 65,800 rupees and 68,000 rupees per quintal. On the international front, FOB prices for Brazil Asta pepper are at $6,400 per metric ton, while Vietnam 500 gigaliters is priced at $6,000 per metric ton, and Vietnam 550 gigaliters at $6,600 per metric ton. Indonesian Asta pepper stands at $7,211 per metric ton, and Malaysian pepper at room $7,500 per metric ton. That's all for today's update on turmeric and pepper prices. Stay tuned to Ajayastromani Guru for more insights and updates on the commodities market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest news and analysis.